First, you want to start with your tray. I got mine at Target. And then you want to print your pictures on photo paper. This is the glue that I use. And you just want to glue them and arrange them however you like. This is what it should look like. And then this is the resin that I use. You want to do equal parts A and B. That's super important. If not, it will not cure correctly. Part A is the resin, part B is the hardener. Then you want to pour part A into your cup. Then you want to pour part B into your cup. Then you want to stir it slowly, only in one direction for 5 to 6 minutes, and add your glitter if you're going to use them. Then you want to pour it in carefully and evenly, and it's always good to make more than have to go back and make more because you have to work with it fast. So there shouldn't be any empty areas, just pour it in evenly and smoothly. If you have any empty areas or problem areas, you just use your popsicle stick and smooth it out. So this is what it should look like if you did it correctly, nice and even, no dents or no empty areas. Then I just used a thin piece of plywood to cover it for those 24 hours just to make sure no dust or anything falls in and ruins your project. You can use a box or anything you'd like. And this is the result. I used pictures of BTS, some animes that I like, and just any aesthetic pictures that you want to use. Just make it your own and have fun with it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super easy to follow along. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, support my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.